This question is for Mick. What if the moon were made entirely of electrons? Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing the moon exactly where it has always been. It shines peacefully above Earth, lighting oceans, mountains, and cities. Then, in a single instant, every atom inside the moon disappears. The rocks, dust, and ice vanish. Only electrons remain. At first, this might not sound dangerous. Electrons are tiny particles found in every atom and every electronic device. But electrons carry a negative electric charge, and like charges repel each other. Normally, electrons are balanced by positively charged protons. Without those protons, every electron in the moon would push away from every other electron. The result would be catastrophic. The moon would become a giant sphere of electrical repulsion. Gravity would try to hold it together, but the electrical force between electrons is vastly stronger than gravity. Instantly, the moon would become unstable and begin tearing itself apart. Billions upon billions of electrons would accelerate away from one another, creating an enormous explosion of charged particles. The amount of energy released would be almost impossible to imagine. However, the story does not end there. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, energy also creates gravity. The tremendous electrical energy inside the electron moon could generate an equally tremendous gravitational effect. Suddenly, two powerful forces would compete, electrical repulsion pushing outward and gravity pulling inward. Some physicists suggest that the energy could become so extreme that the moon might collapse into a black hole before the explosion fully unfolds. Instead of seeing the moon explode, humanity might watch it disappear behind an invisible event horizon. If that happened, Earth would lose its natural satellite forever. Tides would change, Earth's long-term stability could be affected, and the familiar moon that has inspired humans for thousands of years would be gone. Most importantly, this thought experiment reveals something fascinating about science. It pushes our understanding to its limits, where gravity, electricity, relativity, and quantum physics all collide. We cannot say with complete certainty what would happen because physics still has unanswered questions. Whether the moon explodes, collapses into a black hole, or does something even stranger, one thing is certain: a moon made entirely of electrons would become one of the most extreme objects ever imagined, reminding us how much of the universe remains unknown.